Hey everyone, welcome back to Verified Gains. Wow, I guess the markets really did not like the tariff news, huh? I mean, you know what I always say, let's focus on the technicals, but I feel like people overreacted by a mile to the Liberation Day, quote unquote, news yesterday. I was actually quite shocked, after market price, how much it went down. And today, the traditional equities market really took a hit. And, I keep repeating myself, but people are definitely overreacting in this market. So let's dive right into the Bitcoin charts. Surprisingly, Bitcoin actually held. It actually held, around this low 80s, in the $82,000 mark. I was very impressed, and I'll tell you why. So, as far as Bitcoin, just to close the conversation here, really we're, trying to retest the 98,000. Up until then, really anything is a possibility. So, I actually do want to look at the traditional equities market. I mean, look at this. Definitely overreacted. Negative 5.5% for NASDAQ 100 mini futures. And this kind of goes back to what I was saying, is it a possibility that we retest the bottom of this parallel channel right here? Definitely a possibility. So stay put. That's another 7.5% drawdown from the current price. And it's not a small percentage. And, you know, if you're into the traditional equities market, basically to me, anything tech is at a great discount. So I'm not saying, anybody should do a bulk order. I mean, I'm not here to get financial advice, but yeah, if I was investing into tech stocks right now, I would definitely dollar cost average. It just makes too much sense. Now, Solana, on the other hand, did take a hit when compared to Bitcoin. So here you had a negative 7% drawdown. The previous candle, formed this red candle over here, largely sideways. And this is the new candle that just formed today, and we continue to draw down. So I'm very curious as to how this is going to pan out. Um, in terms of resistance levels, I mean, it's going to be hard to. Whew, oh boy. I mean, it's hard to even draw a support line at this point while we're actually thinking about going below 100. I don't think so. I think we're just going to consolidate here, and I think we're going to retest 126. So I actually went ahead and dollar cost averaged a little more into Solana, full disclosure. And I got in around $117. I was very happy because my previous dollar cost average was around 120. So anything that I'm buying right now is at a discount. Okay. So I'm very happy with the price. Cash is king, but when you have to dollar cost average, time to swap that cash for more Solana. And I'm very tempted to buy more Popcat. So Popcat yesterday, I told you guys I bought in at 18 cents. Negative 15% after the tariff news. Quite a shocker, okay, but not unheard of. I mean, look at how many major drawdowns we have. But that's the nature of meme coins. If you cannot handle these types of drawdowns, then meme coins is not it for you. And lastly, let's take a look at S&P 500. Look at this, negative 2.8%. Now we're actually below the top of the parallel channel, okay? And what I mean by that is if you look at the historical data, see how I drew this parallel channel right here? We have now just broken below and quote unquote entered the parallel channel. And I don't know how much we're going to draw down from here. I mean, it would be a little hard to imagine a drawdown to the center of this channel, which is negative 23%. I mean, that's a real recession, guys. I just think we are overreacting to the tariff news. I think it's just all just a smoke bomb, okay? I think right now the economy will be fine. I think we are going to bounce back from this. If anything, this is the best opportunity we've had since 2020 in terms of buying opportunity. So I have cash, I'm dollar cost averaging in. Everything's at a discount, great place to dollar cost average. I just cannot emphasize that enough. Um, I'll just end it here. I think we're going to get a lot of volatility, a lot of price action in the coming weeks. So I am excited. And for today, this is it. So thanks for watching. Thanks for listening in. And I'll see you guys this weekend. Bye bye.